train. The orphans! Porkchop.
That's Mr. Evil Dr. Porkchop to you. And I've got a score to settle with you, Sheriff Woody.
Faster, Bullseye! We gotta save the train and those orphans!
Since you bested me the last time we met. All right, enough chat. Time for some fight.
Give it up, Porkchop! Come on, boy! Whoa! Oh, man, that was close.
Special delivery from the Evil Dr. Porkchop. I can see your future. And it's a train wreck.
There's the train! Yeah, Bullseye! Hey!
I'll credit to Marshall while you save the orphans. Roger that. That was unfortunate.
Thanks, boss!
Roger that.
Good work, boss!
Roger that.
Thanks, boss!
Roger that.
Good work, boss!
Job well done.
Dr. Porkchop presents your demise.
Not this time, and not ever!
Give up. Your persistence is annoying.
Wah! Ha ha!
Oh, and please remain seated. Oh, the train is in motion.
Not this time, and not ever!
You haven't seen the last of the evil Dr. Porkchop.
And so the evil Dr. Porkchop was defeated, and the orphan train made it safely to its destination.
Wait a sec. You had a giant pig ship and a fleet of attack drones, and you lost to a cowboy on a
And
horse?
the eye patch severely hampered my depth perception.
Oh, right. Blame the eye patch.
Anyway, back to the game board.
Which, if I can say, is seriously impressive. I cannot believe you built this.
Yeah, well, I wanted to create a map that featured all of the significant landmarks we encountered on our exciting journey here.
Hey, what's next? Should we go to Andy's
Oh,
house?
watch it, Rex. Just knocked Al's toy barn into the pond.
Oh, sorry.
Ah,
I'm
you
sorry.
hollowhead. Oh, I'm gonna have to reset the whole town.
Pardon me? What's this area again?
Hey, good eye, my prickly friend. That is a special part of the game called Woody's Roundup, where you can roam free, upholding justice as a sheriff in the Old West.
Cool. We can go there? Really? Let's go.
Only if a certain lizard brain promises not to stomp it to smithereens.
I probably won't. I promise.